In this video, I will be going over how to get the latest touchpad firmware and TekTouchPad driver files for use with the TekTouchPad Configuration Utility. So all you'll want to do is go over to Options and select Get Updates. This will bring up a little window, and it will show you the files it has grabbed and let you know that the update is complete. And it's as simple as that. If you have some issues downloading them, I will demonstrate right now. So So here, as you can see, our driver update has failed with this error. This is the most common error you will run into for downloading these files, and it's a very simple fix. So you'll want to go over into your Windows File Explorer and go to Program Data, TEKVOX, Touchpad, Drivers, and add two files, HW 1.0 and HW 2.0. And then we will try the update again. And as you can see, it worked this time. That is the main issue you are likely to run into while updating your TekTouchPad driver files. This issue has been fixed in some of the later versions of the software, which you can download from our website. But here's how to fix it in case you do run into that issue. Thank you for watching.